You are the front line of infection prevention within your healthcare facility every day. PDI, a company dedicated to developing the most advanced line of one-step infection prevention solutions, wants to be a valued partner in helping you protect patients with our environment of care solutions, including Easy Screen Cleaning Wipes, the compatible touchscreen cleaner that works at the speed of technology. This video about Easy Screen is intended to support you in maintaining clinically effective protocols and provide ongoing training and support to help you clean effectively, efficiently, and with confidence. Not to mention contributing to better HCAHPS cleanliness scores and elevating the reputation of your facility within the community. This video should be used as additional support with your facility's existing ES practices. You should always refer to your facility's policies and protocols. For touchscreen equipment in healthcare environments, Easy Screen Cleaning Wipes have been specifically designed to rapidly clean dirt, grime, fingerprints, and smudges. Easy Screen Cleaning Wipes deliver the power of 70% isopropyl alcohol and is safe to use on touchscreens, tablets, mobile devices, electronic medical equipment, including OR and procedural lights, lights within a housing unit, monitors, and other equipment in healthcare requiring 70% IPA as the cleaning formulation. Be sure to wear gloves and other personal protective equipment as appropriate. Cover the opening halfway with one hand. Remove wipe with a uniform pull away from face and eyes. When not in use, keep lid closed to prevent moisture loss. Next, thoroughly wipe the screen surface, cleaning the dirt, grime, fingerprints, and smudges associated with day-to-day use. Easy Screen Cleaning Wipes are fast-drying, anti-fogging, and anti-streaking, and leave no residue. The areas that you should concentrate on to ensure that equipment is clean include, but are not limited to, computer screens, tablets and mobile devices, medical device displays, TV monitors and displays, mirrors, marker boards, glass surfaces, goggles, protective eye equipment. You should also always consult the equipment manufacturer's instructions prior to use to ensure that product is compatible with the device being cleaned. It's also reassuring to know that Easy Screen Cleaning Wipes can be used on common touchscreen materials, including polycarbonate, Corning Gorilla Glass, sapphire glass, aluminum silicate, acrylic glass, etched glass, and stainless steel. We appreciate the pressures that exist for you today when safeguarding the patient environment. That's why PDI is committed to partnering with ES teams like yours with ongoing training and support like this video, and providing products for your infection-fighting arsenal with ready-to-use disinfectants and advanced technologies so that you can deliver the best inpatient care. Our infection prevention products are designed to help you be the difference in improving patient outcomes and reducing costs. Because after all, a healing environment begins with a safe environment.